on 29th May this month. So get up on
Like I'm a finance video nursing as well as in innovator, shape-based experience, and it is after So this is Mokanya space show which was established in 2007 by various arts activists in the area who felt and saw the need of an art space in this area that we live in. So since a space has been established, it has developed and reformed and it has been able also to produce theatrical shows on a universal level, like professional level. So this shake maze that we are about to take right now, it takes about 15 minutes. The shake maze is a real life escape adventure. It is a pathway of pathways, typically from an entrance. So the shake maze is characterized by pathways and walls which serves as top puzzles within the maze. So this is the starting spot of the maze. This is where all solvers enter. Then the shake maze consists of extremely complex patterns of routines for the solver to work through, and also an overabundance of pathway choices, also formalized rules, and also realistic architectural themes. Let's go. Bear in mind that the shake maze is characterized by walls and pathways.
Okay.
And here in the shake maze, wherever you see walls, you must always acknowledge that the walls have ears.
Okay.
Because the space is transparent, that's why it's built in zincs. So
Okay.
what is happening here, the people around here can hear and sense whatever that is happening here. So it's possible that you can sense so many things that are happening around you because of the space itself. You see. And there are two mechanisms that are used for generating mazes. The first one is the carving passages, which is the network of available routes, and the second one is the adding walls, which are the markings composing the routes. This first stage is called Gone But Not Forgotten. This is the first stage of the maze.
Okay.
So this is where we archive some memories of the area, things that happened in the past, things that are important that we can still keep in this day and age.
Okay.
I felt and saw the need for preserving history. You know, preserving history is very important because if the next generation comes and there's no history that we can inherit, so that means we won't have a spiritual foundation or a root, you know, as a people. So that's why we always need to preserve the history to know where we come from.
Okay.
That's what this stage is about. Also doing a commemoration to people who have played vital roles in changes in the area. For instance, I know years ago there was no electricity, there were no public toilets and other things, but there are people who took stances and fought strongly, not by individual strength, by collectivism, but their influence was of good help.
Okay.
People like Kayayapi. Yeah, those are one of the people who are liberators of the people. That's why the recreational area was named after him, Kayayapi. So tell me, you mentioned something about fashion presentation. Why do you want to bring them here, if I may ask?
Because I believe that much more I am the embedded designs, there's more into what I'm doing. There's much more into it. It's not just showcasing Impahla only. It's because they speak more into black people, you understand? And since it's a black person, I feel like ezinye izinto azincube kakhulu impahla zesintu thina abantu basintu. We have so many beautiful stories behind, but we don't mess our stories, you understand? So I believe on Evil Designs can bring that into everyday wear. You don't have to wear it mostly up with only like traditional events. It's something that you can wear going out with your friends, going to work or something, you understand? So I believe that there's so much more powerful word that comes out from Impahla business.
Yeah, let's continue. Very interesting initiative, and I feel proud that we are also collaborating with you. Because I've never done it installation. Yeah, so it's a big deal. So now I'm also looking forward. But you know,
Mamsi. Oh, not your Mamsi.
and also the subject of this stage, gone but not forgotten. It's a subject also that is touched me, that there are things like that are gone.